You know, there comes a time when a man has to venture out, broaden his horizons. You know what I'm saying? Go on an adventure. Well, today my adventure is Ohio. Ohio, here I come. I just made that up. You like it? The entire state of Ohio. No. Just across the border in Ohio, about an hour and a half, like Columbus, close to Saltfest, ironically. What is this adventure, you ask? Well, it's to pick up some new toys. Holy smokes, I'm stopping in this gas station really quick. It says the gas price is $2.99 per gallon. Okay guys, here's what we're getting today. Found a crispy Walboro WJ123A is what it says. There's a 39 below. I know these fit several saws like Dolmar PS series, bigger saws like 7900, some Solo, and probably Husqvarna as well. So that thing, it's in great shape. Got a couple of axe heads here. He just kind of gave me, threw in on the deal there. I was like, I'll take them. We got a this is a it's a big bore piston and cylinder assembly to a Dolmar 7900, Makita, or Solo 681. Big bore piston cylinder. If it got ran, yeah, it got ran, I'm sure, but not much, man. Not bad. A few little zingers there, but we can fix all that up easy. So, but pretty good shape, I thought. It'll clean up real nice. Let's look at the inside of it. There's the piston. Not too bad. That's in good shape. There was some stuff here by the exhaust, I think. No, it looks a lot worse in camera than it is. There's nothing, man. This is in great shape. I don't even think anybody's ever ground on this thing or anything, so that's pretty cool. I don't know if I'll use it, but it's kind of cool to have. Put that, dang it. Oh yeah, put it in the other way. Oh, and there's a base gasket down there. That's pretty cool. So there's that, and then there's also this right here, OEM 7900, or what's it say? Says, oh, it said something on there. I could have sworn it said something. Yeah, it's a Makita part for EA 7900, but also, well, yeah, you could, I mean, you could fit that to like a Solo, but anyway, that's OEM. I gotta stand up. Back hurts. That's OEM 7900 cylinder. So it has been, no, this thing has never been ground on, except the exhaust looked a little, you can't see in the light here, but it just looked like, but I felt like it was something from the piston, and so this doesn't have a piston with it. So I would say, but yeah, it's very salvageable, really good shape actually. So 7900 OEM, that'd be good. Like if you get like a Makita 6400 or something, put that on there. So anyway, got that stuff. Then we got this gem right here, Husqvarna 346. It has, the only problem is it's got the something's wrong with the pull rope on it, so kind of stuck that in there so it won't drop. But muffler's off to check everything out, and But you know, it's not perfect. It's not perfect, but it's definitely going to be a, you know, I'll probably get a new top end for it and everything, and not sure what we're going to do with this one yet, but it will make him a screamer. Then the main reason I went, this Dolmar 5105. Now this one right here is perfect. It runs great, super good shape. It's in great shape. Got the crappy, I hate those mufflers. But then I got this part saw for it. So it doesn't have the hat on it, but believe it or not, the compression on this is crazy good compared to that. And that's just a stocker. So I'm assuming maybe somebody's maybe ground on this a little bit or something, but it's a part saw and it probably close to running. But anyway, whatever, we'll see what we can do there. But those two. Then we got this bad boy, Stihl MS-170. I've been trying to collect these up a little bit for Sawfest, because like everyone knows, you need a few of those to make a good one. So, but she's a runner. Then the deal of the day. Check these out. Whoa! Uh-huh. Both runners. This one's still in pretty good shape. A really good shape, actually. Look at that. But check this one out. This thing is mint. Mint shape. Wild thing. Well, I got leaves on it now. Used to be in mint shape. Yeah, look at that. Minty, man, like brand new. I've been looking for one of these that's like brand new. So, you believe that? So yeah, that's our haul for the day. Figured I'd show you guys that. Let me know what you think. So I'm on my way back from Ohio to Indiana. Just wanted to give a huge shout out to Eric Salyer for delivering the goods for me. Appreciate you, buddy. And let you guys know that I'm stoked, man. Got me some new toys, so I don't know what saw I'm most excited about. I mean, it's cool to have the part saw, you know, for the 5105 Dolmar. That's cool. But it's cool to have another couple wild things too, because I want to build something like myself for Sawfest, and then I have that extra Stihl MS-170 as well. I got a few of those now. Because those cheap saws like that, you gotta have a few of them to make a good one. Because stuff breaks real easy and all that, you know, like the wild things and the 170s. So anyway, I'm chattering on, but thanks for joining me, everyone, in my little excursion today. We'll see you next time.